Welcome to the wonders of vegan weight loss. All right, you might not really lose fluffy in your dinner greens, but switching to a vegan diet can be like finding a secret passage in the game of weight management, a passage that's not only effective, but full of delicious surprises. Now, before you run to your nearest bookstore hunting for a manual titled Veganism for Dummies, let's navigate through the leafy corridors of plant-based eating together. In this exploration, I'll unfold the lettuce leaves, quite literally, to reveal why a vegan diet can be your ally in the battle against the bulge, and how you can make this change a joyful journey rather than a dietary drudge. Plant-based diets are celebrated not just for their impact on health, but for their role in weight management. One might wonder, could lettuce and legumes be the unsung heroes in the lore of weight loss? Quite possibly. A vegan diet naturally tends to be lower in calories but rich in essential nutrients. Think fiber, vitamins, and minerals, all jump-starting your metabolism like a mini workout for your digestive system. Imagine this, a bowl brimming with colorful veggies, quinoa, and topped with a sprinkle of sunflower seeds. Not only is this visual feast pleasing, but it's also packed with fiber and protein, key players in the game of satiety. The high fiber content in plants helps you feel full longer, reducing the urge to snack mindlessly. This approach also sublimely sidesteps a lot of the calorie-dense pitfalls found in non-vegan diets, such as high-fat dairy and processed meats. So you could say opting for a vegan diet doesn't just help you lose weight. It does so by encouraging a burst of nutrient variety that's hard to beat in any diet category. Adopting a vegan diet for weight loss isn't just about celebrating meatless Mondays or turning your nose up at non-plant-based foods. It's about learning to choose plant-based foods that not only tickle your taste buds, but are also allies in your weight loss journey. Let's talk about getting strategic with your food choices without feeling like you're preparing for a tactical food war. First, focus on the power of portion control. It's easy to think, hey, it's veggies. How much could I possibly eat? Well, it turns out a lot. Vegetable-based pastas, faux meats, and vegan desserts can pack in calories too. Keeping an eye on serving sizes ensures you eat enough to be satisfied without going overboard. Then there's the importance of incorporating a variety of foods. A plate full of just carrots and celery sticks sounds as exciting as watching paint dry. Adding a range of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and plant-based proteins keeps meals interesting and nutritionally balanced. Lastly, the meal timing. Eating regular meals can help maintain stable energy levels throughout the day, preventing the late afternoon hunt for any snack in sight. Regular, nutrient-dense meals promote better metabolism and help stave off cravings for sugary or fatty emergency food options. Beyond the plate. Behavioral changes for weight management. Just as a tree doesn't grow healthy and strong just by being planted in good soil, successful weight loss doesn't rely on diet alone. It also needs the sunlight of physical activity and the water of mindful eating. Let's stretch this metaphor like a good morning yoga session and see how these behaviors complement a vegan diet. Mindful eating. This isn't about meditating with every bite, but rather being conscious about what's on your plate and how it makes you feel. Eating slowly and savoring each mouthful can prevent overeating and increase meal satisfaction. Physical activity, too, is paramount. It doesn't have to mean pumping iron or running marathons, unless that's your jam. Something as simple as a brisk walk after dinner or a dance session in the living room counts. The key is to find activities you enjoy, which helps make regular exercise a part of your lifestyle rather than a chore. Integrating these habits isn't just about trimming inches off your waistline. It's about creating a sustainable lifestyle that celebrates food and respects your body. After all, a vegan diet is more than a pathway to weight loss, it's a journey towards comprehensive well-being. In weaving these threads together, nutrition, strategy, and behavior, you craft a tapestry of health that is both beautiful and sustainable. So, as you stock your fridge with chickpeas and spinach, remember that every great journey begins with a single delicious bite. Please hit the thumbs up button right now to let YouTube know this content is appreciated. That will help get this content out to those who may need it. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe. Until next time, this is your Nutrition Navigator signing off.